Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The FlexTail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200 watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Wherever you are, at home, on the road, or mid-travel, your health shouldn't wait. The BMO 4-in-1 Multiscan delivers real-time health insights in the palm of your hand, helping you care for your family or yourself with accuracy and speed. Built with 4 advanced medical-grade sensors, this compact handheld tool monitors temperature, cardiovascular, and respiratory systems, and supports telehealth integration, giving you a complete health snapshot in under 60 seconds. BMO goes beyond temperature checks. Record a full 1-lead ECG in just 30 seconds to detect arrhythmias like AFib, then share it instantly via HealthLink for a specialist review, available within 24 hours. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. Shooting games always brought us a rush of excitement, a chance to test our reflexes and accuracy in a safe and controlled environment. But how many of us ever learned the true techniques behind it? Sure, we aimed and fired, but without proper guidance, we were left to rely on instincts and luck. That's where training comes into play. Effective practice isn't just about pulling the trigger, it's about developing the right habits, patience, and focus. In an era where innovation meets lifestyle, this isn't just a coffee table. It's a command center built for modern living. Engineered with precision, this next-generation centerpiece houses an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS mini PC beneath its sleek, minimalist exterior. A stunning 27-inch HD touchscreen is seamlessly integrated into the tabletop, merging function with visual brilliance. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or managing smart devices, the powerful processor ensures smooth multitasking. Forget cramped screens and bulky setups, Screenio UL5 redefines home cinema in tight spaces. Just inches from the wall, this ultra-short throw projector casts a massive 120-inch image in stunning Full HD. The advanced triple laser light source ensures razor-sharp clarity with HDR10 and Rec 2020 color standards, delivering lifelike visuals right from your tabletop or shelf. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make wireless setup a breeze, while its compact frame fits seamlessly into any room. Transform your movie nights with the Dash Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, designed to deliver fresh, delicious popcorn every time. With the ability to make up to 24 cups of popcorn, it brings the authentic theater experience into your home. When you're finished, simply store any leftovers with the included storage lid that seals in freshness. Space-saving design is a standout feature as the base nests neatly inside the bowl and the lid provides a secure closure for quick and clean storage. Leave the hassle of overpacking behind and enter a new era of organized travel. The Yo-Yo Vac compression system transforms your packing routine with precision and reliability, making it ideal for frequent flyers and road warriors alike. Designed with a wide top-open layout, it provides quick access and seamless packing, whether you're prepping for a week-long business trip or a weekend retreat. Its high-performance vacuum technology compresses clothes by up to 90%, maximizing every inch of your suitcase without adding bulk. In a world where countertop space is precious and adventure calls beyond the walls of your kitchen, the Coffee Jack V2 brings professional-grade espresso to the palm of your hand. Engineered with a proprietary planetary gear system, it generates the high pressure necessary for authentic espresso extraction, without cords, bulk, or compromise. Whether you're brewing in a mountain cabin or your urban apartment, the Coffee Jack V2 delivers cafe-quality espresso consistently, every time. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Ioneo Retro Mini PC AMO1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the AMO1S is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Ioneo remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the AMO1S stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs. Revolutionize your daily interactions with your AI-powered wearable clone. It serves as your second brain, offering real-time insights, personalized feedback, and the ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Whether you're using iOS or Android, your Omi effortlessly integrates with your existing persona, ensuring a seamless experience that extends across all aspects of your life. This innovative tool is designed to keep up with your thoughts and feelings, making it perfect for anyone looking to enhance both productivity and fun. Introducing the Boio 2.0 Booklight, where precision meets innovation for a truly refined reading experience. Designed with the modern reader in mind, this light ensures your pages are perfectly illuminated, allowing you to lose yourself in every chapter without distractions. The Boio 2.0 combines style and function, offering a sleek, compact design that easily adapts to any reading environment. The Duobo coffee machine offers an innovative solution for coffee enthusiasts who crave customization. Equipped with LG Labs' exclusive two-shot layer technology, this machine allows users to create unique coffee recipes with ease. Whether you prefer a stronger brew or a delicate, multi-layered drink, you can fine-tune the temperature and volume using the Smart App Control feature. This technology ensures that each cup meets your personal taste preferences. Step into a new dimension of atmosphere and creativity with the Kino, a striking retro-modern effects projector that brings the magic of analog light shows into the heart of your home. Inspired by the vibrant energy of the 70s but built with today's sustainable materials and LED technology, the Kino is your gateway to swirling visuals, dynamic color shifts, and pure creative freedom. Beneath the surface lies a world of silence, wonder, and freedom. The Dive Drive underwater scooter invites you to experience it all, whether you're a beginner or seasoned explorer. With its intuitive controls and lightweight 14.3-pound design, it's built for ease. Just grip, press, and glide. Capable of reaching depths up to 98 feet, the Dive Drive unlocks coral reefs, underwater caves, and schools of vibrant fish. Immersive clarity, uncompromising color accuracy, and true portability converge in the Pepper Jobs X10 Touch Pro, a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED portable monitor crafted for professionals who demand precision. Whether you're color grading in a remote studio, refining edits in a cafe, or presenting sharp visuals on site, the X10 Touch Pro delivers ultra-deep blacks, vibrant tones, and unrivaled detail, all packed in a slim, travel-friendly frame. Wave pads, Original 2. Pack adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. Whether you're refining dovetail joints or carving intricate trim, this next-gen electric wood chisel transforms woodworking precision into muscle-powered speed. Engineered for efficiency, the powerful motor delivers high-speed strokes, up to 12,000 RPM, cutting through hardwoods like oak and maple with smooth, accurate motion. Designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists, this electric chisel boosts control, making fine detailing far more manageable than with traditional hand tools. Relief shouldn't be complicated, especially when dealing with the nagging aftermath of a bug bite. The VB's Bite Healer T1 makes post-bite irritation a thing of the past, offering rapid and drug-free comfort in just 10 seconds. This compact electronic bite relief tool is tailored for on-the-go use and ideal for all skin types, even during pregnancy without risk to your baby. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. Rokid Max AR glasses bring the future into your hands, offering an immersive, cutting-edge experience for both work and play. These lightweight glasses feature an impressive 50-degree field of view, providing a massive 215-inch screen that mimics the experience of watching a display 6 meters away. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees smooth, vibrant visuals, making gaming and media consumption extraordinary. The Miracam web camera is a sleek and efficient camera designed to enhance your digital setup without unnecessary complications. Compact yet powerful, it offers full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing clear and crisp visuals with a flexible refresh rate of 50 Hz, which can be adjusted to 60 Hz if needed. This makes it suitable for video calls, streaming, or recording, ensuring you always look your best. Precision meets versatility with this compact CNC machine tailored for ambitious creators. Designed with a generous 12.6 by 8.7-inch workspace, it allows users to handle big projects without compromising on space. Whether engraving hardwood, cutting soft metals, or shaping acrylic, this tool delivers with consistency and control. Built for portability, its frame folds neatly, optimizing your workspace whether you're crafting in a garage or setting up at a maker event. The Tiny Pump 2X is an essential outdoor tool designed for versatility and portability. Weighing a mere 96 grams, this compact 3-in-1 pump and camping lamp provides impressive performance with an air pressure capacity of up to 4 kilopascals and an airflow rate of 180 liters per minute. Its light and compact design make it an ideal choice for those looking to save space without sacrificing functionality. Elevate your creative process with the DAPT key, a powerful tool designed for those who value efficiency and precision. With 20 fully customizable keys and 5 versatile knobs, this device provides seamless control over your workflow, allowing you to switch between up to 10 different software commands effortlessly. Its sleek OLED display offers clear, real-time feedback, ensuring you're always in the know, whether you're working on intricate designs or complex projects. The Wonderblock's Smart Pollinator Observatory transforms any backyard into a vibrant hub for nature observation. This innovative device seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with environmental awareness, offering users a unique way to attract and monitor local pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Designed to be simple yet highly effective, the observatory utilizes sensors to detect pollinator activity, providing real-time data about the species visiting your garden. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corleo, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corleo defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the Tello Zet circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. The MLR Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. Breathe new purpose into outdated iPads with iFrameX, a seamless way to transform idle tech into useful home displays. Whether it's showcasing cherished memories, tracking local weather, or serving as a sleek digital clock, iFrameX unlocks practical value from old devices while cutting down on unnecessary e-waste. iFrameX combines an intuitive app with a custom charging module so your iPad stays powered around the clock without cluttered cables. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyodo MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyodo wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't. Yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs,